You don't have to harvest your root crops such as carrots, parsnip, or beets all at once in the fall. They can stay in ground all winter and can be harvested when needed. First frost actually sweetens them, making them tastier. In areas where winter temperatures go below 20 degrees Fahrenheit or -6 degrees Celsius, they should be covered with plastic sheeting. If they are not harvested by spring, the plant will use the roots to produce flowers and then seeds the following summer, making the roots inedible. Potatoes are not included in root crops. They are tubers, and if left in ground for the winter, they'll also get sweet from freezing temperatures, but contrary to carrots, parsnip, and beets, it'll make them less tasty. Carrot leaves are not only edible, they are loaded with vitamins and minerals. Vitamin K for bone, joint, cognitive, and heart health. Vitamin A for eye health. They have more vitamin C than the carrot root. They also have fiber, calcium, and iron. Potassium in carrot greens helps with the regulation of blood pressure, keeping your heart healthy, lowering the risk of stroke, supporting metabolism, and preventing osteoporosis. Magnesium for steady heartbeat, normal nerve and muscle function, strong bones, healthy immune system, optimal glucose levels, and the production of energy and protein. They also have chlorophyll, which shows potential in fighting growth of tumors, acts as a mild diuretic, and has detoxification effects. Thanks to carrot greens' antiseptic properties, their juice is used as mouthwash for bad breath and mouth sores. They can be added to salads, stir-fries, soups, vegetable shakes, hummus, pesto, or used as garnish. The stems are usually tough, so for eating, the softer top parts where the leaves begin to grow are best. The stems can be still used in vegetable broth or soups for flavor.